How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I see a lot of people frustrated in their business, a lot of people struggling, a lot of people trying to figure out, the tricks of the trade, so to say. I don't know what business you're in, but long as you're in Canada, United States, I may have a solution for you. You're gonna hear me talk about these a lot. There's more, but you're gonna hear me talk about these specific things a lot because it makes me comfortable, I should say, every night, when I finish my marketing, knowing that I got my business in front of a lot of people. I have my leads I need to follow up with on a consistent basis, day after day, and that's these royalty gems. A lot of people, they want to have excuses, so to say. If you know anything about royalty gems, they target, depending on which one you get. Let's say the one I got, 100 meters. Every Android device around 100 meters, I have their nearby on Bluetooth, and location on. Typical things that most Androids have on. But there's people, that want to fill in the bubble. So what about the people who don't have the location on? What about the people who don't have Bluetooth on, etc., etc.? If you go through business with what if this, you'll never be successful. There's many what ifs. What if you get started in any business and you get no leads? What if you get started in any business and you make no sales? What if you get started in a business with a product that you turned out to not even like? There's a lot of what ifs that can go on in life, period. But having my business, my message, and my link, my virtual business card sent to potential viewers around me, knowing somebody seen, there's tracking included in these, knowing someone seen my opportunity, my link, my message, that's all that matters. Now it's up to me to pull people in, write the right message, say the right thing. But knowing that my business is getting seen by people around me is why I chose Royalty Gems. You can sit online all day posting ads, solo ads, Facebook ads, group ads, and get not one viewer to click your link. That's frustrating to me. But knowing I have this as a backup, if my everyday marketing doesn't work, is why I signed up for Royalty Gems a year ago. That's why I've had them and kept them so long. We also have Wi-Fi. But what's so important about Wi-Fi, I personally, I've been good with the gems. I'm actually going to get the Wi-Fi. So let's just say that. But for someone who has all these what if questions, about the gems, what if this, what if this? Well, when you get the Wi-Fi, it's like a hotspot. You plug it into your phone. Anyone around you can log into your free Wi-Fi, but they have to either put in, their email, their social media account, phone number, name. So pretty much unlimited leads, so to say, from simply people using your Wi-Fi. Anywhere you go, people are looking for Wi-Fi. No one's trying to use their data. A lot of people don't pay for hotspot. People are going to find or need your Wi-Fi. So that's not the question. So now you have another lead generation tool within Royalty, on top of the Royalty Gems, to get daily leads, daily sales. And especially if you're someone who either stays around a high, populated area, or someone who's always on the go, whether you work a job, there's people looking for Wi-Fi. Everywhere you go, you can't deny it. And these people can be Android or Apple, so the opportunity is unlimited with Royalty. There's many different products. There's gems that even reach even farther, up to 1,000, meters. So there's really a lot of opportunity when it comes to Royalty Gem. I haven't even talked about the money. I haven't even said anything about the money. So that should tell you something. That should speak volume. I'm specifically talking about the products. They have a great compensation plan. This is for someone looking to build a residual income, paid out monthly. Upfront bonuses. This month actually has some of the biggest bonuses I'm gonna throw out some numbers. Don't quote me on the specific, but every 5 sales, I want to say is $200. I won't even. Let's not even drop any numbers. Click the link below. I'll have specifically information on the specific bonuses, but there's a lot of upfront bonuses. There's bonuses for every 5 sales and bonuses for every 10 sales on top of the residual income you build. But like I said, I didn't even talk about money until now because that's just a plus to me. What this offers for any business owner, whether it's a brick or mortar, local mom and pops, big business, doesn't matter. This is powerful. These are technology of the future that actually have been around for a while, guys. But I'm not going to hold you anymore. Make sure you send me a friend request, comment I'm interested, like this so I know you're really, really interested. And I hope this was some value. I'm going to also put this on my YouTube channel. So, if you get in contact with me, I'll shoot you my YouTube channel. I throw training. I show you how I do it in different matters. I market in all type of different ways, guys. So I'm someone, you want to be in contact with. You could pick my brain and really learn a lot of stuff from me, guys. But thank you for watching. I hope you got some value from this. Like I said, contact me as soon as possible if you're interested, and you won't be sorry.